It's the middle of January. It's freezing outside. So I like a hot drink, and we're gonna cover one of the best hot drinks ever, and I will not be arguing about the tea. I will make one with the tea to try it, but if you want to argue with me, you have to argue with Jerry Thomas and David Wondrich. No tea in a hot toddy. It's not there. But we'll make one anyway, just because I'm a nice guy. So we're just gonna do a regular bourbon hot toddy to start. We're gonna do a few variations, but we'll do a regular bourbon hot toddy just to start. So we need 1 sugar cube. If I can figure out how to open my box O sugar cubes. Now, again, this is very open to interpretation. You could use simple, but I'm running low on it, so I'm not going to. You can use simple, you can use bar spoons of sugar, but we're just gonna use 1 sugar cube. We're gonna do 2 ounces of bourbon. We're using Angel's Envy this time. And then the rest, just hot water. Damn, I thought the sugar cube would break up. We're gonna get our bar spoon and mush that sugar cube up. And then we're gonna stir it in. Oh, whoa. This glass has a little reservoir on the bottom. I didn't even notice that. I'll get a mashy spoon. Wow. That's what I get for buying dollar store glasses. And that's it. That's a hot toddy. Bourbon, hot water, sugar. Oh, that's lovely. It's simple, but it's lovely. The hot water brings out a lot of the flavors in the bourbon. It is simplicity, and it's fantastic. You want to see a neat trick? You want to see me transform this into a different drink? Now we're just going to take a bit of our lemon. Just a little bit of lemon. Throw that in there. Now it's a whiskey skin. And it's changed the drink completely. That is a whole new drink. It's good, but I'm not a huge lemony fan, and that is lemon. But again, it brings out a different flavor profile of the bourbon, which is good, but I like the regular one better. Now, we'll make it with the tea. I'm just gonna hang on to this. She said, what is the point of this drink? What's the point of a hot toddy? To me, a hot toddy is, it's 30 degrees outside, your kids are in bed, you've got the dog and the wife all hanging out, you're enjoying life, just chilling for a little bit. You want a drink, you want a nice drink, you don't want coffee, it's too late. You want a hot drink, cold weather hot drink, warm up your insides, and it's just good. Maybe you have a book, you're reading the newspaper, watching a show. This is the perfect drink for that. It is contextually amazing while itself being a fantastic drink. Does that make sense? You suppose? That's delicious. Okay, well, we'll make one with the tea. We'll see how we like it with the tea. I am not a very big tea drinker, but we'll give it a try. We're just going to use Earl Grey. We're going to make it with the tea, and instead of sugar, we're going to use honey, because apparently that's a thing that you use in tea. Why? What is happening here? Do you put the honey in before the tea? After? I don't have any honey syrup, which is just 2-to-1 ratio of this, so we're just going to use honey. So we just let this steep, right? This is how you steep it, isn't it? So how was your day? I can prepare the bourbon, I guess. Now this is where you can get a little bit fancy with it. I guess we can do that. Need a lemon wedge this time. And we're going to put little holes, just little holes in our lemon peel. Try your best not to stab yourself. Can confirm, not fun. Why? Cloves. we're gonna just put a couple of cloves in the lemon peel. Let it kind of just seep into the tea. And I literally mean like 3. Like, this is just whole unnecessary fanciness. You really don't get too much of the clove in this, but it looks nice. It looks nice. All right, that looks pretty good. We're just gonna free pour like a 1/4 ounce of honey in it. Just a little bit of honey. Just a dash. The reservoir on the bottom of this is I mean, it's fine. It's not bad. It's a whole different flavor profile because, of course, you're putting lemon, the smell of clove, and what is that, Earl Grey tea. It's a whole different flavor profile. But I'm a simple man. I like just bourbon, hot water. And this is fine. It's not bad. I like this significantly more. But I'm not a tea drinker. We're gonna make a couple variations though. Next one, it's a hot toddy with scotch. I love scotch. Scotch is pretty controversial. Not a lot of people are into it, but I love scotch. Just 2 ounces or a scotch. We're going Johnny Walker Green on this one. You don't want to use swill. You want to use a decent scotch. 1 sugar cube. Damn it, I always forget to break it up. I'll stir it up in a second. And hot water. I swear to God, the whole point of this little reservoir on the bottom is to just vex me. Done with this nonsense. Scotch Toddy. Oh man, the smoke peatiness from the scotch elongated with the hot water and just that kick of sweetness is that's a moment of bliss. I really like that. This is my first time ever having this. I really like this. This is a very unique taste. It's scotch. It's scotch and hot water. It's fantastic. I am a fan. We're gonna make another one, the name of which I just forgot is on the computer screen over there. I have it written down. Okay, we're making a Shayna. We need 2 ounces of our Empress gin. And by the way, I've been talking up Empress gin forever and a half. You guys need to get hip to it. This stuff is phenomenal. All right, 1/4 ounce of our Chambord. And that's just, wow, that changed the color completely. A 1/4 ounce of lemon juice. Very juicy lemons. 1/4 ounce of our lemon juice. Again, color change completely. And then we need a 1/4 ounce of pink orange. Grapefruit. Big pink orange. I forgot what they were called. A 1/4 ounce of our grapefruit. And I am going to need my knife for this one. It's my fancy knife that I got for Christmas. Have I mentioned that? I got this for Christmas. Oh, that smells really nice. 1/4 ounce of that. Top up with hot water. Look at the pulp. That looks good. Wow. That is surprisingly really good. I didn't think gin would be good in this drink at all. This is surprisingly really nice tasting. I am very pleasantly surprised by how good this is. And it's beautiful too. Who would have guessed? This one's called the Agave Hot Toddy. I don't know how I feel about this, but I'm certainly willing to try it. We're going to need to make tea. Now, the instructions are very unclear. It says tea of your choice, peach, chamomile. And I don't have 3 different teas, so we're just going with the tea of your choice. I'm taking the one that I want to do. So we're just going to put our hot water in here. We're out of hot water. I'm going to make more hot water. All right, now that we have water, we're going to let the tea steep. While we're doing that, we're going to prep the garnish. We're going to need about 1.5 ounces of mezcal. That's roughly 1.5 ounces. And we're going to need, it calls for lemon wheels, but I already mutilated my lemon, so we're going to have 2 lemon wedges. A Sherminicin stick. And where is my honey? 1 bar spoon of honey. Nice bar spoon. And guys, really, if you're going to make a drink, please take the time to make the honey syrup. I haven't, and it would be a lot easier to pour. But it's worth it. Just take the time to make the honey syrup. I'm going to squeeze this out. Ooh, it is pungent. The Agave Hot Toddy. It's not great. I'm not a big fan of that one. I feel like honey is a bad call in this. You'd probably be better off using probably like a regular or demerara syrup. The lemon is really conflicting with the honey in a way that's somehow polarized by the strong flavor of the mezcal. I'm not a big fan of this one. No, not this one. For our final one, I'm just going to make something I'm curious about. I'm going to try rye. This is from a viewer. Atto sent this in, Basil Hayden's Dark Rye. And I have not tried it yet, and I think a good foray into a rye is to kind of thin it out to get a flavor of the spirit. So you can do like an old-fashioned. A hot old-fashioned was a drink I was going to make for this video. But I don't think it fit with the toddy motif. So we're just going to try putting this in a toddy drink, see how we like it, and then we'll do the outro, I guess. That'd be the way to put it. So we're going to need 2 ounces or Basil Hayden rye. Basil Hayden is coming out as a pretty solid spirit. I'm really enjoying it. It's not bad. And I'll dip into my diminishing simple. I guess it could be worth it. So we're just going to pour a little bit of simple in there. That's lovely. This is just lovely. Again, this is a sit on your porch at night, watch a storm roll in with a newspaper. This is a winter drink. This is a winter evening, rainy evening inside drink. I love it. I absolutely love it. This is fantastic. I just checked my phone as I'm getting ready to shoot the outro. It is 18 degrees outside. So this is perfect weather to double fist toddies. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you have any suggestions on different toddies to make or stuff you would like to see, please leave a comment down below. Anything helps the algorithm pick this content up. If you liked it, please leave a like. If you have any comments, you can leave a comment. I can't promise I'll agree with it, but I'll read it. Please make sure to go follow me on all of the teas, the Twitch, the TikTok, and the Twitter. What is this? This is a bird? This is a bird? On the Bird app, follow me over there. If you want to support, you can do so via one-time donation down below or Patreon. All the patrons listed down below. Any suggestions, please leave that. Like it on the way out, and thank you for watching.